Deputies say this man attacked his girlfriend at a huge gathering in Charlotte County over text messages.
This happened along Cook Brown Road, right by State Road 31. Deputies say Brent Knoll shot at his girlfriend, marking a second shooting at one of these parties. Gulf Coast News reporter Madison Adams is talking to someone who's been to these gatherings.
If you're partying out here, you need to know that if you have an emergency, help is not going to get here fast. An affidavit says the victim was beaten and strangled for 45 minutes until deputies reached her. It's all dirt roads back out here.
It would suck to be shut down because it's really the last place we have to go riding. And sometimes idiots up.
Justin Boudin knows the victim. He says on Friday nights, hundreds, sometimes close to 1,000 people show up.
Everybody has fun and comes four-wheeler riding, side-by-side riding, and sometimes it gets a little out of hand.
Deputies say in November, Brent Knoll fired an AK-47 style rifle at his now ex-girlfriend but missed. Investigators also say he strangled, beat, and bit her ear after seeing her delete text messages. Knoll was arrested for domestic battery by strangulation. On Friday, they arrested him again, adding kidnapping and weapon charges. Knoll has no bond.
All our places are shut down. There's no places to go and have fun.
This is not the first violent incident linked to the large gatherings.
I heard gunshots when Brian got shot.
Just 2 weeks ago, deputies say Brian Four was shot in the leg while trying to break up a fight. Brian told me he just got out of the hospital. Deputies arrested Darren Hayward Jr. in his case.
Last Friday night, my friends were out here riding, and the cops were on the north end giving tickets.
Reporting in Charlotte County, Madison Adams, Gulf Coast News.